Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Everything Technical. This is Deepak. So in this video we will see how we can launch an instance through the AMIs and the snapshot. So what procedure we have to do. In my past video I was given the info about how we can create a snapshot and AMIs, but now in this video we will see how we can launch an instance through the AMI and the snapshot. So before I started, I want you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel Everything Technical. Please do subscribe, and also please press the bell icon to get the new video notification. And if you have any query, any suggestion related the video, so please do comment below the video. Okay, now so we are going to start the video now. So this is my Amazon. So I'll go into the EC2 dashboard. So in EC2 dashboard I am running one instance and I am having two snapshot, and what we have to see, nothing. So there is running instance is one. So Jenkins was running. In my past video I was given the info how like we have created the snap and AMIs of this Jenkins. So we will see that only first. So here I have AMIs, so I'm not just checking this. I'll just go ahead in private mode. Sorry, this is private, it's owned by me. So in owned by me we have seen I have created that particular AMI in the name of test. So this is the test AMI we have created in our past video, and what snapshot we have created in our past video. So this is that snapshot we have created in our past video. So now what we have to do to launch an instance through the snapshot and through the AMIs. So I'll give the info on the AMIs because AMI is easy, and in snapshot we have to do few more steps to launch an instance. So I'll just give the info overview of the AMIs. So for example, we having AMIs and we want to launch an instance through the AMI. So just check that AMIs, from which AMIs you want to create a you want to create or launch an instance. So just select that AMI and go ahead, click on launch. After clicking on launch, you are just skipping the choose AMIs because choose AMIs you have already done. Through that you are doing this you are launching this instance. So here in second option we are getting the option for the type of instance. Just select the type of instance as per your requirement and go ahead, configure next things. So here I am not doing anything. If you want to change anything here, like if you want to change the network subnet or the availability zone, so you can select it from here. And if you have some other option, there is some more options. If you want to select that also, you can also select that also. I'm just not doing anything. I'm just going ahead to add the storage. Now here make sure you are giving the storage the size which you have created as a snap. So if you have created as a 10 GB or 20 GB, so you have to put that size only. You cannot put the size less than that size what you have taken that time. You can increase the size but you cannot decrease the size. You can take it equally, either increase the size, you cannot decrease. So I'll take only 20. If I'll do 10 it, so what will happen if I'll go ahead, so it is already saying it's that saying like the snapshot is 20 GB. So I'll go ahead with the 20 only. I'll put here, add the tags. I'm not adding any tags. If you want to add, you can go ahead and add the tags. Configure the security group if you want. In my past video also is given the info how we can add, like how we can change the security group of the running instance. If you have created, like for example, if you have created a new security group and you have configured your all the sorry, if you have launched your instance through a new security group, but in future you want to change the security group, so how you can change it, go into the go in my video section and check that security group, how we can change the security group. So using that, but I'm this time also you can change the security group. You can use the existing security group from here using this checkbox. So I'll just select here, I'll just check this, select existing, I'll click on this and I'll go ahead to review launch. And also now this is the review page, what you have selected, what operating system, what other storage, and all these information you will get over here what you have selected. So now after clicking on launch, it will ask you for the security key, sorry, private key. If you want to create a key, you can just go ahead and click on drop down to use a create a new security key. Either if you want existing key, on that time you can click on the drop down and select, but I have only one security group in this AWS, so I'm getting this option only. If you have multiple, so you will get and just select that only, select that keys which you have, which by which you want to just take the access. So I'll go ahead with the Jenkins. After clicking this, just make sure you're doing acknowledge of that particular keys, then you will be able to launch this. If you're not acknowledged, you will not be able to launch it. So after clicking on acknowledge, you'll be able to launch this. But for right now, I'm not launching the instance. In next steps, how we can create the, how we can launch the instance through the snapshot. So in that time, I'll launch instance, and also I'll show that this is the application. In my past video, I show you like how this is the application which is running under the Jenkins. So but we want the same configuration, same application through in the AMIs also. So if I'll create the AMIs, on that time we are getting the same configuration or not, so we will see in this. So I'm just canceling this, I'll cancel it. Now I'll go into the snapshot. So that was the options, how we can create the, how we can create the instance, or how we can launch the instance through the AMI. Now it's time to create and launch instance through the snapshot. So what we have to do, uh, through the snapshot, just select that particular snapshot, go into the action, create as an image of that particular snap. So I'll create it as Jenkins 1 2 description anything, I can keep it. i'm not I'm not doing anything with this configuration. I'm just going ahead and creating an image. So now this will create an image through the snap. We have created an image. Now through that image, we will launch snap. Sorry, we will launch an instance. So now this is the snap. This is the what we have created, image we have created through the snap. Now we will launch it. So this is available. Now we will go ahead and launch this. So this is the same configuration we are getting. I'll go ahead, I'm not doing anything, so I'll go ahead again. This is 20 GB. I'm going ahead, add tags, security group. I'm just using existing security group here, and going ahead also. And in this, after reviewing this, I'll use existing key and launching this particular instance through the snapshot and AMIs. So this is the video about launching an instance through the AMI and snapshot. So I have successfully launched this instance through the snapshot. So I'll check it now. This time is for the testing. We will see. In this instance, we are running this application. So we want the same configuration, same application in through this instance also, because we have created it through the snap. So we will check it. This will take a few minutes to stable it, because it's now in a slicing state. So we will check into the browser. So I'll just paste it into the browser, and I'll just go ahead. So if all is okay, if that configuration, that AMIs and the application is come through that, it's under that particular snap, so this will work as a properly as like this application also work on this instance. So it's not yet completely working that instance, because that is in initializing state now. Once this will get ready as a 2x2 checks, so at that time we can use it. So we will check, it will take few minutes. So let's see how much time it will take to initialize completely. So check it again. I'll reload it. Okay, now you can see here Jenkins it's getting ready. So hope so it is working same as like this one. So if through the login we will get the info about it. Okay, so I'm in login. I'll keep the same as it is like the past, like this application credential I have given over there. So if it is working, we will go on the same page, like the same page we will get same builds, same jobs also we will get. So we'll check it. Okay, it is working. Okay, it's working. You can see it's working through the through that AMIs. I have created the I have launched the instance through the AMIs. uh, so now it's same configure. I'll check the periodic backup also. Is it in this or not? Yes, this is in the same location. Now what we have to do? Nothing we have to do. Just you can create the AMI and you can launch the you can launch the instance through that AMI. So this is the video about the video about launching an instance through the Snapshot and AMIs. If you like, please do like the video. Also, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Share with your friends who having requirement this kind of informational video. So do all these steps, and thank you for watching.